Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit single cap rivets with a green machine. You're going to need a couple of things. First we're going to start off with a 3mm cutting die to punch our holes, and then you're going to need your single cap rivet fixing die set. So this is your base die that holds the riveted part, and this is your top die which is going to compress the cap. We'll start off by taking our cutting die set and popping that into our machine. So our base is going to go onto the bottom, and the top die should just screw in. I have some cork fabric here that we can punch a couple of holes in. So there's one, and there's two. There's a hole there and a hole there. Take this die set out and swap it over for our single cap rivet die. So the base just slots into the bottom and our top die screws in. Your single cap rivet will come into two parts. We're going to take the riveted side, or the rivet side, with the stem, and we're going to pop that onto our base die. I'm going to line my holes up in my material and pop that stem through those holes. Then we're going to take our cap, which looks like that, and we're going to push that onto the stem. You can actually put this into the top die. I do just feel it's easier to push it onto that stem, and it will hold in place enough for you to compress that down. Push the handle down nice and firm, and then we have the side with our cap, and that's the side with your riveted back